Hello children, welcome to today's lesson. Today's topic will be discussing home and its surrounding. Home and its surrounding on home economics, specifically for primary 1. Home and its surrounding. Home and its surrounding. First of all, what is home? What is home? Home is a place we live. Home is a place we live with our family and where our belongings are. Home is a place we live with our family and where our belongings are. What is surrounding? Surrounding is a part of home that makes the outside, or that forms the outside of home. It's parts of home that forms the outside. We can also say surrounding is the environment on which home is built. Surrounding is the environment on which home is built. Without surrounding, there will be no home. Now let's move into taking care of our surrounding. Do you know how to take care of your surrounding? Let's talk about cares of surrounding. Cares of surrounding. Number 1, how do you take care of your surrounding? We take care of our surroundings by sweeping. Number 1 is what? Sweeping. Not only sweeping, we can clearing the bush around our surrounding if there is any. Clearing the gutters. Washing the environment if it requires it. How will you wash it? Not with soap. You can use broom and water, sweeping, hand picking. That is, if you don't have broom, you can hand pick things in the surrounding. These are ways we can take care of our surrounding. Picking, sweeping, clearing bush, clearing gutters. With all these things, we can take care of our surroundings with all this method. Now let's move into dirt. There's something called dirt. What is dirt? It's piece of unwanted things found in our home or surrounding. Types of dirt. We have dust. We have sachet of water. That's pure water. We call it pure water. Sachet of water. We have nylons of biscuit. We have cobwebs. Do you know that cobweb is dead? Do you normally leave it in your house? It's not good. It's part of dirt. We have other things. Dust, remember? Sachet of water. Nylons of biscuit nylon. That's after eating biscuit, you deposit it somewhere that is not good. Is dirt. Dust is also dirt. Cobweb is dirt. These things are not good to stay in your home. If you see it, take care of it by sweeping, hand picking, washing, even mopping. Now let's enter home. Remember, I said home is a place we live with our family. Home is a place we live with our family and where our belongings are. Anything that belongs to you, wherever you keep them, is your home. Different parts in home. Home is made up of different parts. We have the one called sitting room, which we can also call parlor. We have another place called bedroom, toilet, dining, kitchen. Rooms, sitting room, bedroom, dining, kitchen, toilet is the parts that makes up a home. Without these things, there is no home. Although not every home will have all this. How can we beautify our home? Do you want your home to look tattered? Mine won't. How can you beautify your home? Ways to beautify our home. Our home. Number one is placing paper, that is using something like calendar, wallpaper to cover the walls of your home. Is one of the ways of taking care of our home, making it beautiful. Another one is planting ornamental crops. Ornamental crops are those crops that are used for beautification, like flower. If you plant it around your surrounding, your home looks nice. Some people can bring it inside their sitting room. Remember, if you bring real flower, you'll be changing it often, because once flower is plucked out, it will die. And once it dies, change them. Or you can buy other decorative things like flower that is decorated. Put it in your home, it makes it look nice. Other things that can make our home fine can be good window, curtain, carpets or rug, tiles. These things makes our home good. Now let's enter into how to take care of home. Remember, the same way you used to take care of your surrounding, you can also take care of your home like that. That is in your bedroom, sitting room, toilet. How? Number one, sweep all the rooms. Sweep all the rooms. Mop them if they are too dusty. Mop them if there's much dirt on it. Mop it or clean it. Then also you can spray, there's something they call air freshener. This normally makes our home to smell nice. And the last one, remove the cobwebs. It's not good to stay in your home. If you apply all these things, your home will look nice. See you next time.